Hello children, today we will learn poem Bird Talk from class 3 CBSE Marigold. This poem is written by Ellen Fisher. Let us see what new words we will learn from this poem. Words are beetles, sitting, wire, funny. Let's get started. Birds talk means conversation between birds. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. In this poem, there are two birds. One is robin and another is jay. They are sitting in the garden and talking to each other. They want each other to think. Let's see what these birds are thinking. Think about people, the way they grow, they don't have feathers at all, you know. People means human being. Grow means increase in size. These birds are talking and thinking about human being. How human being increase in size. They don't have feathers. Feather means punk. Whenever birds look at human being without feather, it's very surprising for them. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wire and things. They means human being. That means birds are still talking about human beings. Beetle means insects. Human beings don't eat insects. Human beings don't have wings. Wings means the flat part of the body that a bird uses for flying. Even human beings don't like to sit on the wire and things. In this stanza, birds are thinking, talking and comparing themselves with the human being. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Again, birds are asking each other to think. Think, my friend, think about these people. They find people funny because human beings don't do all these things which birds love to do, like having feathers, flying in the sky, eating insects, and sitting on wire and things. Dear children, if you have any queries related to this poem, kindly write it down in comment box. Thank you.